Hole number 13, a 465-yard par 5. Slight dogleg left. Aim for the middle of the fairway, and the bigger hitters amongst us might aim for the green in 2. Otherwise, a perfectly suitable layup shot would be required. The view to Mount Isabel de Torres on this hole is quite spectacular. Just watch out for all that sand on the right hand side. On to hole number 14, which is a 400-yard par 4, dogleg left. Some players will aim to cut over the corner, while others choose to drive to the middle of the fairway. The green is protected by a large, deep bunker to the front right-hand side. Hole number 15, a 390-yard par 4. Slight dogleg left. Try and avoid the hotel to the right, and with your drive, reach the middle of the fairway. From there, the club choice is yours. Just avoid the bunkers that protect the front, left and right hand side of the green.